These are the best of the best affordable moisturizers of 2021. In this video, I am telling you my personal top 5 moisturizers that I have used this year and recommend time and time again on this channel and to my patients in my dermatology clinic. These have quickly turned into holy grail products, and I just love them so much, and I know that you will love them too. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist for more tips. The first product on my list is the most affordable, and it's only $12. If you didn't think that you could get a moisturizer at this price, I am so excited to tell you about this one right here. It's the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Fragrance-Free Face Cream. This also comes in an SPF version for you to use in the morning. There are many ingredients in this that make this product so amazing. Hyaluronic acid will give you intense hydration and that plumping of the skin. It has niacinamide in it, which will reinforce that skin barrier. It has peptides, which can build collagen and smooth the skin. It has squalane, which improves the balance and elasticity of the skin, and vitamin B5 for soothing and hydration of the skin. It is also free from fragrance, phthalates, parabens, sulfates. It is cruelty-free and vegan. I recommend all skin types can use this, especially sensitive skin. This is a very creamy texture, but it is still lightweight and wears a bit more like a cream than a lotion. This is not my first choice for very oily skin types. Instead, I like the gel moisturizer from e.l.f. better. But otherwise, all other skin types and conditions, this is one of my top 5 moisturizers that I have loved this year. The second product on my list is a longtime favorite of mine that I started using so much at the beginning of this year. This one is for nighttime. It is a night cream, and I don't recommend using it twice daily because it's kind of heavy. So instead, you want to grab a lighter weight option for the daytime. This is one of the best night creams that I have ever tried, and it is so affordable. It's the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. This is especially good for the fall and winter time when our skin tends to be a little more dry. The ingredients that I love in this product are hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, again for your skin barrier, and it has ceramides in it, which are so important for restoring the skin barrier and maintaining that hydration, and it has peptides which rejuvenate the skin. I am a huge fan of moisturizers with niacinamide. I rarely use a separate niacinamide product in my routine as a treatment product, and instead, I tend to gravitate towards moisturizers that have niacinamide in it so I can keep my skin barrier strong, but keep my skincare routine simple. Niacinamide really decreases your chance of irritation and reinforces that skin barrier. This product is also free from fragrance, and it is non-comedogenic, even though it is a bit of a thicker texture. So you can see in this product that it's almost like a balm. It's very thick, but it is still breathable and it is not greasy. I use this on nights where I take a night off from my retinoids, or if I feel like my skin just needs a reset. I will reset my skin barrier and soothe my skin by using this product here. It really gets rid of irritation. You only have to use it once, and I feel like it really can keep the skin hydrated for a full 24 hours. You might not even need your moisturizer in the morning after nights where you use this. My third favorite night cream is by Aveeno. It's the Positively Radiant Intensive Night Cream. I would choose this one if you have particularly dull skin or suffer from hyperpigmentation, because this one has a total soy complex in it which brightens the skin and can correct hyperpigmentation over time. The texture of this one is a little more lightweight than the CeraVe one, which wears a little closer to a balm, but both of these are great options for a night cream. Number 4, everyone needs this product. It's for all skin types from dry to oily, sensitive, or rosacea prone skin, and you can use it all year round. You need this product in your stockpile. It's the Vichy Mineral 89 Moisturizer. Check out my entire product review video on this moisturizer. This is a hybrid serum moisturizer product. The ingredients list in this product are super simple. There are only 11 ingredients, so it really is a minimalistic product. Hyaluronic acid is the hero ingredient here, as well as French volcanic water with essential minerals. So here's the best thing about this product. the way it feels on the skin. It has a little bit of a slip to it when you rub it in, so it absorbs very quickly. You don't have to do a lot of rubbing or pulling at the skin, and it has a very cooling and soothing sensation to the skin. Now, for oily skin types or in the summertime, I recommend using this alone as your moisturizer. It is very lightweight, it is refreshing and breathable. Or if you have dry skin or it's the winter time, use this first under your moisturizer to really supercharge your hydration. Check out the full review and get this product at the link below. And number 5, this will always be one of my very top recommended products. This is my #1 moisturizer to use with retinoids in your routine for 2 reasons. It does not have hyaluronic acid. I will explain why that's important in just a minute. And it has a creamy texture that is plenty moisturizing but still breathable. You can use this at night and in the daytime. It's the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. I get the best feedback from you all about this product when you buy and try it. The key ingredients in this product are ceramides and niacinamide, and like I said, it does not have hyaluronic acid. This is important if you have a retinol in your routine, because if you use a product with hyaluronic acid, it can actually take that retinol and pull it deeper into the skin. This will only increase your risk of irritation and side effects from the retinol. So I always recommend pairing your retinoid at night with a product like this that does not have hyaluronic acid, and this has the other ingredients that I mentioned in it as well, which are very hydrating to your skin and restore that skin barrier and protect it from the inflammation and the irritation that can come along with retinoids. So this is always going to be a top recommended product of mine. So these are my top 5 favorite moisturizers. I actually use all of these at different times of the week and during the year for my own routine, and I recommend that you have several different options on hand so that you can use what is best for your skin at that particular time. And these 5 will really have you covered. I hope you love them as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of my favorites. See you next time.